Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a yo-yo comb. Now obviously it's going to be really helpful if you already know how to do a yo-yo and if you already know how to do a comb. In case you've missed one of those, there are links to the teaching clips for each of those in the description below. Assuming you're ready, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is a quick one. It starts exactly the same as a normal yo-yo. So we go right to right, semicircle and back. We come in across the chest. We twist the lady out just as we would for a standard yo-yo. Now from here, guys turn to the right. We draw the lady forwards. We comb over the guy. Left hand comes into the lady's hip. We go hand down to the back of the neck as you normally would, elbow pointing down, and it's literally just the push, slide and catch and you're done. So it's as simple as that. So let's do it from this side and we'll do numbers. So it goes back 1, across the chest 2, twisting out for the normal yo-yo 3, comb and pick up the hip 4 and slide away 5. Simple as that. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a yo-yo comb. It's a back, in, twist, comb and away. And that's that. Hope you find that one useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move. Subscribing helps promote the channel. So very, very big thank you to everybody who does that. And if you hit the notification bell, it'll mean you get told every time a new video comes out so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end. So in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, one of them will be a link to a music video which will be appropriate to dance this move to. Hope you find all that useful. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.